Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Roots Music Studio. My name is Kaylee, and today we are going to get into the D major 1-octave scale. So we're going to take this nice and slow. We'll do the right hand first, hit our half notes first, then quarter notes, then eighth notes. Same thing with the left hand. Then we'll slow that all down and do the exact same thing. So half notes a couple of times, quarter notes a couple of times, eighth notes, and then challenge mode with 16th notes. Now, if you have not hit your C major or your G major scales first, I would go back through and learn those before you dive into D major. Basically what's happening is we're going to add more and more sharps as we continue through the circle of fifths, eventually flip over to flats and drop those flats as we continue through. So here we're going to keep the F sharp that we had in the G major scale, and now we're adding the C sharp on top. So you'll have two sharps to watch out for in this scale. All the same fingerings, all the same mechanics, but just those extra sharps to watch out for. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get into it.
All right, again, we are going to start with the right hand first, setting up to a D position. Already I'm going to get my third finger ready to go on the F sharp. And here we go with half notes. After the F sharp, we're going to cross the thumb to G and finish out through the hand. We got the C sharp to watch out for here at the top as well. Coming back through the hand, we'll place the third finger back to F sharp after the thumb, and you've completed the scale. Good work. Here we go, double time with quarter notes. Again, after the F sharp, switch to the thumb, C sharp here, all the way back through the hand, put that third finger back to F sharp, and we've completed it. Here we go with eighth notes. Awesome job. Okay, great. Now the left hand is going to do the exact same thing, but the left hand is going to go all the way through the hand first, then cross the 3 to the B, grab the C sharp, and then on the way back down, make sure after the B, we put our thumb back to A. Make sure you are not going to the forefinger on A. Again, that's a tricky thing to get down. Here we go, double time with quarter notes. Third finger to B, C sharp. Here's our 1 on A, grab the F sharp, and double time with eighth notes. Awesome job. All right, here we go. Hands together, back to half notes. Here the right hand is going to switch first while the left hand continues through the scale. Third fingers match up on B's, grab the C sharp, and then we're heading back down. Here the left hand's going to switch. Right hand comes back to 3 on F sharp, and you've completed the scale. Good work. Here we go again. Same thing with half notes. Right hand crosses first. Just like I mentioned in that C major scale video, it's like our third fingers are making a sandwich here. So once you hit the third finger like this, something needs to happen. One of the hands needs to cross. All right, we're going to take that double time with quarter notes. We'll do this again 2 times in a row. Get this nice and comfortable. So left hand switching here. Grab the F sharp. Good work. One more time with quarter notes. Awesome job. Here we go with eighth notes. We're going to do this 3 times in a row. And here we go again. And awesome. One more time, eighth notes. Get that nice and comfortable. Then next up, we have 16th notes. Here we go, double time, challenge mode, and awesome. Here we go, last time, and great work today.